Today I wanted to talk a little bit about credit scores and which credit score we use when we're qualifying you. First of all, let me start by saying that the mortgage industry uses one of the older scoring models. And there are newer scoring models that have come out in the last several years. And so, for example, you might get a Credit Karma credit score, and it may tell you that your score is 640. And then you talk to a mortgage lender, and we tell you your credit score is only 630. That could partially be due to the fact that we're using an older scoring model, which sometimes scores things a little harsher, especially with collections and lates and things of that nature. So, that's part of the difference right there. Secondly, what I want to talk about is what we then use to qualify you and price your loan, etc. And that is, we will use the middle credit score of what we pull. So with every client that we do a pre-approval for, do a loan for, we're going to do what's called a tri-merge credit report. Tri-merge credit report gives us Equifax, TransUnion, Experian. Each one of them will give you a score. And we're going to take the middle score, not an average of the scores, but a middle score. And that's what we use for pricing your loan, etc. And then if you have, say, two borrowers, say you've got a husband and wife, each of them will have 3 scores. So each of them will have a middle score, and then we're going to take the lower of the 2 middle scores. Let me just give you an example. Let's say we have a husband who has a credit score of 680, 700, and 690. So his middle score is 690. The wife, her credit scores are 720, 730, and 740, so her middle score is 730. So even though her score is higher at 730, we have to use the lower of the 2, which would be his 690. Now, because he's below 700, the rate, terms, etc., are going to be just a little bit worse than it would if we were able to use her score. Sometimes we can do what we refer to as like a rescore, where we can help you and point out the fact that we can raise your 690 up to, say, 700 or higher by maybe paying down or paying off some debt or something. So that's something you can always talk to us about when we are in the process of getting you pre-approved. Is there a way that I can improve upon my credit score and give me better terms when I actually find a house? And the answer to that is often yes. Just depends on how much you've got to work with as far as cash and things, because it often requires paying down or paying off some debt. All right, well, listen, I hope you found this information helpful. Again, what we do is we take middle score and then the lower of the 2 middle scores if there's more than one borrower. Thanks so much. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any other questions regarding the mortgage process, getting pre-approved, etc., just reach out, give us a call. We're always here to assist. If you found this information helpful, please do me a favor, like and subscribe to our YouTube page. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.